Hello and welcome to the new video of Ibrahim's channel. Today is the big news in the industry that GPT-4 is launched. Today, mark my word, is the history that is going to be changed. Today, the industry is completely disrupted by AI. As you know that ChatGPT-3 was really amazing and amazed a lot of people from technical industry and other industries as well. Now, the wait is over and GPT-4 is now launched. As you know that ChatGPT using text and chats, but GPT-4 is not limited to text only. Let me tell you that GPT-4 is also capable to read images. So I want to make this video just to become a part of this revolution and want to share with you that how ChatGPT and GPT-4 will revolutionize the industry. Let's begin. ChatGPT-3 and GPT-4 are really different by name as well. As you know, ChatGPT-3 was used to communicate using text and response using text. Now GPT-4 is launched with the capabilities to read images. Now GPT-4 is more powerful and responds more accurately with more general knowledge and problem solving skills. GPT-4 can also handle 25,000 word of content and also create scripts, reasoning and a lot of things. So and also share, search in that content and share analytics. Wow, GPT-4 is more creative in creating content like creating songs, writing scripts and also screenplays. As you can see in this image shared by OpenAI in the website and showing how GPT-4 is more creative than ChatGPT. Also you can see that GPT-4 can accept input in an image format and generate caption, classification and analysis. As you can see that the image was shared and it created the output. Example, we can share image of the food or ingredients and it can give us the ways we can use these ingredients to create food to eat. Wow, this is amazing. As I said earlier, it can read 25,000 word of text and allow user to create content, extend conversations and documents, search and analysis. Amazing, completely amazing. Wow. And what this said is GPT-4 surpassed ChatGPT in its advanced reasoning capabilities. As you can see in the image, ChatGPT and GPT-4 responses are very different, as there is a precise information given by GPT-4 and it is really amazing. It's like you are communicating with the human completely. And what is a surprising and very beautiful thing of GPT-4 is it passes the bar exam with 90th percent and other exams with the 8 times more higher than ChatGPT. Wow, I'm really amazed by how this thing can disrupt industries. There are some use cases that are already used by partners. Example, Duolingo is using GPT-4 for conversations. Be My Eye using GPT-4 to transform visual accessibilities. Stripe is using to catch fraud on their portals. Wow. And the most amazing thing that I'm looking at is Khan Academy is using GPT-4 as every student customized tutor. So it is really disrupting all the industries. As I said, today you can mark the change, the revolutionize of the industry, and everything will be changed completely from day to day. Government of Ireland is already using GPT-4 to preserve its languages, and there are many use cases that are already in place by partners using GPT-4 APIs. And believe me, this thing can change the world, change the science, change the thinking, and everything. So now there is a new industrial revolution in the market, and everything will be completely revolutionized by AI. And relax, it will not eat your job until unless you prepare yourself for it. So guys, I congratulate all the people who are behind OpenAI and GPT-4, who developed this thing and launched in the market. I thank you all that you developed this thing for us, for human beings, to become more creative with the help of AI. And what I say, I think it's time to adopt new technology. It's time, it's not late to adopt, to accept that yes, AI is our friend, AI is the future, and we can build ourselves, our colony, our world, a better place using AI. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe my channel. See you on another video. Bye bye.